Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are good and fine. Today we are going to commence our online class. Let's start it.
आज हम लोग सीखेंगे मैच द पिक्चर. ओके, ये किस चीज का पिक्चर है? फ्रूट्स का. वेरी गुड. फ्रूट्स खाते हो ना सब? फ्रूट्स इज गुड फॉर हेल्थ. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. ओके, दिस इज ए एप्पल. वेरी गुड. एंड दिस इज mango, and this is banana and grapes. Very good. So match करते हैं, right? So this is a apple. Where is apple? Where is apple? Where? Very good. Match it. Okay. Next. Dessert. Mango. Very good. Where mango? Very good. Match it. Next. Banana. Where are banana? Where are? Search. Where are? Good. Match it. Next, grapes. Very good. Where? Grapes. Here. Very good. Match it. So, match हमें always ऐसे करना चाहिए, right?